What's the meaning of American plan? American plan. American plan. American plan. American plan. American plan.
The term American plan typically refers to a pricing option offered by hotels that includes both lodging and meals in one package. Under this plan, guests are charged a daily rate that covers their accommodations as well as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This differs from the European plan, which only covers lodging and excludes meals. The American plan was popular in the early to mid-20th century but has since become less common. Today, most hotels offer a variety of pricing options to cater to different traveler preferences and budgets.